Hello guys, today we are going to repair iPhone 11 Pro Max. The problem is that the face cannot be recognized because the mobile phone is damp. In face recognition, the mobile phone will prompt you to raise your face lower or higher. Let's take down the motherboard. We can see that the waterproof sign in this area is red. After taking away the front camera, we can clearly see that there are signs of water entering here. We can see that the waterproof paste of the frame is incomplete. It starts to break from this place, so there is no complete waterproof paste in this part, which caused the damp. Now let's repair it. After repairing, we will change the whole waterproof paste. When we test the dot matrix, we can clearly see that the dot matrix has been fused. Before repairing, we need to protect the infrared lens and the in front of lens. Now we need to dismantle the lattice. Heating softens the glue, making it easier to disassemble the lattice. Now we need to fix the dot matrix. First, remove the capacitor, MOSFET, and MCU chip. Then replace the lattice and fix it. Last step is testing it. We can see it clearly that after the luminous body passes through the prism, its photoelectricity is more uniform. So we can test it now. Step 1. Remove the protective sticker. Step 2. Face it. Face test. We can see that it's easy to recognize our faces. We can see that it's easy to recognize our faces. Let's test the unlock function. Now the unlocking function is very sensitive, so the repair is done. Now we have to restore the original factory grade waterproof. Let's start. Dismantling the screen. Remove the broken waterproof paste. Cleaning the dust.